Hey, I'm Marissa. Let's draw the easiest rows ever together. The first step we're going to take is to draw a line up like this, and then we're going to take that line and curve it around. Perfect. We're going to go from this side and then curve around again like this. Now from that side, curve down and out. Looks good. In the middle, there's going to be this little curve that goes on each side. And then go ahead and touch all of those lines and connect it at the bottom. We're going to start in the middle of your rows and draw the stem. It's just going to be a big long curve like that. Let's draw 2 leaves. Here's one. There we go. And then here's 2, just that curve, and then down. Easiest rows ever. Let's color it in. Here's our easy rows. If you enjoyed drawing with me, give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe for brand new drawings. I will see you next time. Bye.